Hey folks, Ash here from DroningON Live, and I thought it's time for another Up Your Game challenge. Now, as I explained previously with this whole concept, it's about helping you guys to make better videos and to step out of your comfort zone really. And instead of just shooting drone footage, take it up to the next level, because that's how you grow a YouTube channel. By really producing something a little bit unique and something that makes people say, wow, that's clever. So, what I want you to do is produce a drone video, but instead of just overlaying the normal music on top of that drone footage, instead focus on sound effects. So if you're flying over the sea, add some sea sound effects, add some seagulls in there. If you're flying over a waterfall, add a waterfall sound effect. If you're flying past a racing track, add some car racing sound effects, but put together a compilation of footage shot in the same location, so a standard drone edit that you normally do, but instead of just putting music on and not thinking any more about the audio track, I want you to overlay sound effects. Now, you might be wondering, where can I find sound effects from? Well, yes, you can subscribe to some premium sound effects services, but you really don't need to. There's a ton of free sound effects out there on the internet, and I'll put a link below to some of the best ones where you can go to the site, do a search, find the sound effect you want, hit download, and there you go. It's there for free. Now, you can also add some music, but if you're going to be using sound effects, you won't need the music volume too high. So have a music track on one side of your timeline, and on the track above or below, have your audio effect soundtrack. And then just make sure you balance the two. So that's the Up Your Game challenge. If you like these challenges, have a look at the playlist, again linked below in the video description, because there will be more Up Your Game challenges here. All of these videos with the focus of helping you to make better videos. Once you've done this edit, post it onto your YouTube channel, comment below with a link to it, and then I'll take a look at it. You've got a month to do this, okay? So what is it today? The 18th of February. You've got until the 18th of March to do this Up Your Game challenge. And make sure that also when you upload this to YouTube, you add a tag, Up Your Game, all one word, and also add a hashtag to the video description called Up Your Game. Good luck, folks. And again, thanks for this. Comment below with your link to your video or just any other thoughts you have. And thank you very much for watching.